Alright, car won't start. Let me demonstrate a video. Nissan Altima. Demonstrate a video. Car won't start. Alright, car won't start. Watch what I'm about to do. Let the car start. The problem with these car I got is the actuator. Drum timing, so this is what you got to do. You change sensor, you change all of this, all of the sensors, and you can't find a problem, change coil, everything you did. So this is what I did easy. I run with a negative right here and run it right here to the battery, connected it right here with this to here to the grounds. When it comes to here, that's it. And do the same thing for another one. I'll show you anywhere the grounds at. You put one more up here, that's here, and you put it on the negative terminal right here. So that's what you do, and this is where you're gonna start it. It's going to bypass, auto bypass the crank sensor. Sorry about that. Sorry. Okay, this is how you bypass the crank sensor. Remove the plug connector. Remove this plug connector, and the car will start. Remember, the car got actuators. Look, so much actuators. Well, still an easy way to bypass it, so the car run for a few. You know what's up. Sorry for my video is long, but I work different, so this is what you're about to do right now. Check all the fuses good, everything, ignition, coils, everything. Make sure these are connected, and this is how you start. That's all you start a car. It's your easiest step. So that's the problem. Car started fine. That's it. Watch your video, like and share and subscribe, and you know the problem how to start your car easy. That's how you save a lot of money. Then more you spend a lot of money buying coils, crank sensor, actuator, airflow sensor, reprogram the ECU. You do everything and the car is not giving problems. So that's how you do it. Alright, that's it. Like and subscribe, please.